Hi, Mr. C. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. So today we're basically going to be trying to figure out what your 6 to 12 rep max is. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, what that means is that we're going to start you with a certain amount of weight and continue to increase it. We want you to get you to a point where, let's say, you're able to do 8 reps and then you're not able to do the ninth one, or let's say you're able to do 10 reps and you're not able to do the 12th one. Okay.
Okay.
So I literally want to see a failure in this. I want you to try to do as many as you can, and even if you feel like you already feel like you can't do the next one, still try to do it so I can see you actually give up on it, okay?
Okay.
So remember some of the things that we talked about earlier about compensating. Make sure your bottom does not lift up from the chair. Make sure that you're not holding on to to the bars, so you're not using that as extra support to try to kick out. And also make sure that you're not using too much momentum to kick your legs out, okay? So we're gonna start Mr. C out at 60 pounds. He is an individual who does regularly work out, and the knee extension machine is not new to him. Okay, Mr. C, we're going to start you out at 60 pounds. Go ahead, and let's see how many you can do with this one. Remember, continue to keep going. Even if you feel like you can't push out one more, try to push it out so I can at least see you feel out it, okay? And at that point, also make sure you do not use momentum to try to get it out, okay? Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Going through that full range of motion. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Okay, so at this point we do see his legs shaking just a little bit. So we will add more weight and try to see if we can get into that point of failure. Once again, try your best not to, be pushing all the way into the machine to try to lift the weight, okay? Make sure your back isn't arching and that your bottom is not lifting up from the table, okay? From the chair.
Okay.
So we're gonna add 75 pounds now, okay? Go ahead. Remember, keep going. And even when you feel like you can't do that last one, just push it one more time so I can actually see you feel at it, okay? Go ahead. So try to slow down a little. Yep, like you were doing before. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, good job, good job, good job. So as you see there, he did fail. He was able to keep proper form up until the ninth one. He was not able to complete the 10th one, although he did attempt. So we would say that his 9 rep max is 75 pounds.